Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 6a, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, just access tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is green. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by choosing the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and tap on display. Then scroll down one more time and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's green, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the same one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!